What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Playmaker Way with the playbook, and y'all read the title, man. How to read candlestick charts, the only 3 chart patterns you need to know. Now, this is your first time on the channel. Welcome. I appreciate you giving this video a chance. Go ahead and hit that bell and sub button because we don't just post weekly content like this, but we also live stream and live trade every day. London session 3 AM EST on YouTube. We also have a free signal room, free Telegram. You're gonna see some results on your screen right now. First link in the description. Go ahead and check that out as well. Now, there's only 3 chart patterns. Now, if you want to know about specific candlesticks, go ahead and watch this video. Okay, I break down the main 2 candlesticks you see on the charts. I also have another part that's linked in that video as well. This video is going to be strictly talking about chart patterns and how to read market flow. Now, the members in the advanced play signal room and people that have the course, you already know a little bit about this, so you might hear some things we talked about in our exclusive live streams. So obviously, price does one of 2 things mainly. It either goes up or down. So when it's going up, it's gradually in an uptrend or bullish. Now, when it's going down, it's gradually in a downtrend and bearish, right? There's also another pattern when price is doing neither one of those things, when it's ranging, consolidating, or what people call a sideways market. So when price is ranging or consolidating, you want to wait for price to break out. And it's either going to break out to the downside and continue the downtrend and treat that level as a resistance, or it's going to break out to the upside and it's going to continue the uptrend and treat the level as support. Now, if you don't understand completely support resistance, go ahead and watch this video. I break it down simple and concise. So watch that video, then come back to this one. So I'm about to show you examples, each and every one of them. And I'm going to also show you how to react and read them. So make sure to watch to the end of the video. So the first one we want to talk about is the uptrend. Now, if you watch any of my trade breakdowns, you know I like to go on the daily and 4-hour to identify what price is doing, which is what I suggest you do as well. I don't care if you're scalping, swing trading, intraday trading, you need to go on the bigger time frame so you can understand the exact flow of price. If we look right here, we can see that price was clearly bullish. And we can also see that price has these highs, lows, lows, highs. Look right here. As price was shooting up, before it continued the uptrend, what did we have? We had this consolidation, right? We had this bouncing and consolidation. How do we know this is bouncing consolidation? Because we see when price hit this huge higher high into this higher low, this higher high, it struggled to continue the uptrend. And what happened? Price rejected down. And then what happened when price hit the support level? It ranged and bobbed. And then again, what I said, when price breaks out, it's either going to break out to the downside or it's going to break out to the upside. So when we go on a smaller time frame, we're going to see, in fact, that price did break down to the downside here. So now that we're on the 15, you can clearly see, again, that huge push. That was price going to the downside. You see that huge volume candlestick push price down. And then you see when price retested, you literally see how accurate these levels are, how price wicked this level and then rejected down. And then the same exact level that was being treated as resistance got turned into support. And then what happened? Price continued on up. And then look, the same level that price was ranging on, it started ranging on again. And then it rejected, treated the same level as support again, ranging, bouncing, until it eventually broke out. Now we're about to mark this level off here so you can see it on daily time frame. Now this was the level that we was just looking at on the 15th. So again, we see how price was ranging, broke out to the downside, could have caught some sells, then it shot back up, got stuck back into this ranginess. And then you want to wait for price to break out this ranging. And then what happened? Once price broke out, you could have went for buys. And then look, the uptrend continued. And then look, it got stuck in a ranging consolidation again. So again, doesn't matter if you use any indicators, doesn't matter, you know, these different chart patterns they be coming up with. Like, I guarantee that if you watch this video and then look at your charts, these are the only 3 patterns you're going to see. You're not going to see anything else besides these 3 patterns. Look right here. We see the ranging consolidation here as well. We can clearly see this is a box that price was stuck in. We zoom out. This was a nice uptrend. Got stuck in the ranging here. Then look, made that huge higher high. And then what happened? Price got stuck and started bouncing and bobbing. You know what? Let's do this. This will help you out and make you be able to see it a lot more clearer. And by the way, if you haven't hit that like button yet, what are you doing? Go ahead and hit that like button. But look at how price got stuck in this box. And then look, when it broke down to the downside, you could have went for some sells. You see how it's treating as resistance? Then it broke to the upside. Look how it rejected that level again. You could have went for sells there. Look, rejected, bam. Could have went for sells again. Could have went for buys here. So these were quick scout setups you could have went for. Look, could have went for buys here again. Look how it's stuck in this level. You see this, y'all? And look how it's staying and respecting that level as a support. You saw how many times it tried to break that level? And then look, it finally broke that level. You could have went for some sells. So let's pause it really quick. Let's break it down onto the smaller time frame. When price broke that level, what happened? We see it did the rejection, then it did that retest, broke down, and look, we even see consolidation on the smaller time frame. And then the downtrend continued once price broke out of this box. Price broke this level and then dropped. So you could have went for a sell here once price broke that level, right? Then look, once price broke above that level, you could have went for some buys. Look how many times you could have went for some scalp setups while price was bouncing and ranging. And look, same thing here when price broke to the downside. Look at that, broke down, waited for the retest, could have cut a huge move. All right, now let's go back to the daily. Now I'm about to show you the same example, but with the downtrend reversal, right? So look right here, we're on NAS 100. We can clearly see how this was a downtrend, making lower lows, higher lows. But look, as soon as price hit this level, you can see there's a strong support resistance level. How can we tell? Because look, we see time and time again how price treats this level, right? So when price got stuck in this box, what happened? The ranging began. Ranging began. Want to wait for a breakout. Price broke out above, could have went for some buys. Then look, price got sucked back in. Then look, price broke out, went for buys. You see how that works? Now let's go on a smaller time frame. All right, now that we're on a smaller time frame, we can literally see how when price got stuck here, how you could have went for sells, buys, or you patiently wait for price to break out this level. And look, when it's treated this level of support, could have went for some nice buys here, right? Multiple times. Nice buy there. When price retraced back down, waited for the retest, broke back above, could have went for another nice buy here. Look, it got sucked back in, but look, it kept pushing back up. You see that? Now look how price reacts on the smaller time frame. Look at that. Still treating that as a support. Look at that. Still treating that support. Still treating that support. You see how that works? And then look, when it broke below, got sucked back into it. So y'all enjoy this video, man. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, comment down below any questions, comments, concerns you may have. Make sure to hit that first link in the description, join the free signal room, free Telegram. If you're interested in learning how to identify these levels and how to take trades like this, go ahead and join the advanced play signal room. Also got the course, of course. The course doesn't just teach my trading strategy. It teaches you how to read the charts, just like how we did in this video, but of course more in depth, and I give you all the game and all the knowledge. Also do one-on-one sessions. One-on-one sessions comes with access to the advanced play signal room. That way you can earn while you learn. And then it comes with 2 sessions a week that are an hour long, recorded and sent to you the same exact day. If you're interested in that stuff, you can hit me up and contact me directly on Instagram at playmaker_way. Make sure to follow me there as well as on TikTok at playmaker_way. I post daily on both pages, and I'll see you on the next video or the next time I'm live.